All right, guys and girls, last week I recorded a video tribute to Imagine by John Lennon. It was the 50th anniversary of the release of the album and therefore the release of the song. I think the single obviously was released separately, but the album came out on that day. I think it was September 9th, 50 years ago. So, I got lots of positive comments and everything, but the one suggestion I had over and over again was, Kirk, we couldn't see your hands. So for whatever reason, I didn't put my hands in there. Usually I always do that so people can see what I'm doing, but anyways, I didn't, so here it is. This one, you only get to see my hands. You don't have to look at my face. All right, so there's two little techniques that we're gonna do, and they might seem hard at first, but after a while, you'll get it. All right, so with your right hand, your strumming hand, you're actually gonna pluck 3 fingers on the top 3 strings, the top meaning the 3 highest, and then that note with your thumb on the G string. And if you have a low G, it'll work too. It doesn't matter if it's a high G or low G. That's the technique. So practice that a whole bunch, then add the chord. The first chord is a C. I'm gonna back up so you can see both hands at the same time. You're gonna do this 3 times with the C. 2 and 3, and the 4th time you're gonna add this. Take your ring finger away, put your middle finger down on the 2nd fret. It is a C major 7, and some of you might be like, that sounds hard. Well, that's it. That's the whole chord right there. You go from a C to a C major 7 for one and. That's it. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now we're gonna switch to the F chord. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Instead of switching to another chord, we're gonna do a little walk up just on the A string. Open, 1, 2. So let's F, 1 and 2 and 3 and you're gonna go right to that C again. But as soon as you get to the C, you're gonna start plucking all the strings again. Sorry. That is the verse. You do that on the first 3 lines of every verse. The last line of the verse, you don't do the walk up, you sit on F. So on the other 3 lines, you're doing F 3 times. The last line, you're gonna do it 4 times, and then stay on the F because the pre-chorus is at F for 2 times. So you're actually gonna do it 6 times, the end of the verse into the pre-chorus. So let's see if I can do just the last line of the verse into the pre-chorus, and then I'll just go straight into the chorus after that, okay? We'll see how it goes. Let's see, and no religion too, let's see. And no religion too, that was off. And no religion too. Sit on the F. Imagine all the people, G, living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. Right back into a verse. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if we can. No need for greed or hunger. brotherhood of man. Stay on the F. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one. So that's it. So just give it a good shot and post your version. 50 years ago, Imagine. So it doesn't have to be on the exact day, the month, the year, everything. This is a very important song to a lot of people, including myself. And so people really want to try to make it sound as close to the original as possible. So that's closer to the original, and it's definitely not like the original exactly. But that's the way I do it anyway. So I hope you guys like that, and I don't know, have fun with it. I can't wait to see your version.